Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Find My Device tracking on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to open up the settings. Now let's go over to the main page. And we're going to go over and scroll down until we see security and privacy. Now here we have device finders. And here we have the Find Hub. Now we want to make sure that we enable it because this will allow our device to be located. And as you guys can see, we can use it on the web. We can sign in. So let me quickly enter the password, the email, and then the password. Now the email is done. We're gonna click next, and now I'll enter the password. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now, as you guys can see, we've got the map, and here we have our phone, for example. Now it is contacting the device, and we got its location. So here we have it. The phone is in, let's see, the phone is in Poland. So that's how you guys can check it. You can mark it as lost. You can factory reset the device, play the sound, and etc. Just to find it. And that's how you guys can do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.